There are several ways to access MATLAB Online. The first is through the Apps page. When you select Apps, it will open the Approved Apps page. Select MATLAB Online. If you're opening a CUAHSI computing app for the first time, you will be directed to join the Computing HydroShare group. Membership requests are approved quickly for this group. Once you have joined, return to the Apps page and select MATLAB, and agree to the terms of use. Once you have agreed to the terms of use, a new MATLAB Online instance will be opened. You can now select an existing file from your Contents section, or select New and create a new script, or take any other action within the window. Next, we'll go over how to open MATLAB Online from the resource landing page. I'll open a resource that I know has a MATLAB script in it. I'll select Open With at the top of the page and select MATLAB Online. You'll see that there are several other apps available, which will be covered in later videos. Agree to the terms of use. Now the contents of the resource should be visible in the current folder browser on the left side of MATLAB Online. Another way to access MATLAB Online is to go directly to the URL, which is matlab.cuahsi.org/home. You'll be brought into the same workspace as before, where you can take all of the same actions. MATLAB Online remembers your previous sessions, so your old files will always be available on the left unless you delete them. There is a built-in library that enables users to interact with HydroShare resources from MATLAB Online. Documentation on this library will be linked in the description of this video. The commands in this library all begin with HS_. When you begin typing any of the HS commands, MATLAB Online will show you what input that command takes. I'll demonstrate saving a figure back to the resource using HS_add_file. First, I'll save the hydrograph that I've just created, and I'll give it a name, unithydrograph.png. Now it's been saved to the workspace, and I can begin typing HS_add file, and you can see that MATLAB Online is suggesting the rest of the commands in the library. I'll select add file, and it will let me know that I need the resource ID, which I can go and get from the end of my resource URL, which is this alphanumeric string. I'll plug it in. It needs quotes, and then I'll need the file path. So since I have saved it in the current folder, I can just type the name of the file unithydrograph.png. And now if I run this, it says it's adding the file to my resource. So I'll go back to my resource. So I'll need to refresh the page for it to show up in the contents, but once I do, you can see that the unit hydrograph has been saved in the contents as a PNG.